welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Fedora Silverblue and how to rebase to the latest Containerized and Onyx. Containerized uses KDE and Onyx uses the Budgie. Those are the two different desktop environments that we'll be taking a look at today. Silverblue starts with GNOME. So we'll have GNOME, then we'll rebase to KDE, and then we'll rebase to Budgie. But before we get started, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. It really helps the channel to grow, and it keeps you updated with all things Linux and open source. So win-win. All right, let's get into this. Fedora Silverblue is a unique Linux distribution designed for developers, system administrators, and anyone who loves the stability and security of a traditional Fedora release. One of the key features that sets it apart is the concept of rebasing, and we'll go into detail exactly what rebasing is, how you rebase, why you would want to rebase, etc. Okay, and I just wanted to explain how rebasing works. So basically, you've got your home directory that's got your desktop documents, downloads, music, everything that's in your home directory. Then you've got your applications, which are all installed via Flatpak, right? So they're containerized as well. And then your operating system. This is what actually changes here. So think of rebasing as there is a Silverblue ISO, there's a Containerized, and an Onyx. And when we rebase, the home directory and applications, they stay in their own container. Think of containers as like buckets. So the home directory bucket and the application bucket, they stay the same. The only thing that happens when we rebase is Silverblue gets replaced with the KDE version or the Budgie version, and vice versa, right? Depending on which one you're coming from. If you're coming from Onyx and going to GNOME, then that's Silverblue. So when you rebase, this is the section that actually gets updated or upgraded. And you can also pin each one of these and make all three of them options in the grub menu if you wanted to. So in a traditional Fedora release cycle, we'd have a new version coming out. For people that didn't want to perform the upgrade, that would mean backing up your data, reinstalling the OS to the new version, and then dealing with broken packages, broken extensions, the list goes on, right? So that's where Silverblue comes in. With rebasing, the update either completes or it fails. If it fails, it rolls back to the previously known working version of Fedora. You can also easily switch desktop environments. You can go from GNOME to KDE, from GNOME to Budgie, Budgie to KDE, and that's achieved with one simple command in the terminal. To check your current version of Silverblue, open the terminal and run the following command: cat etc os-release, press enter. And as you can see, I'm running Fedora 39. Okay, so let's get into the rebasing. We'll check to see if there's any updates first. And to do that, we'll do sudo rpm-os tree status. And then to see if any updates need to be applied, we'll do sudo rpm-os tree upgrade. No upgrade available. All right. Next, we want to see what versions are available for us to rebase to. So to do that, we're going to open terminal and type in sudo os tree remote refs Fedora. Press enter. And this brings up multiple versions. I believe 39 is the latest, and then it goes all the way back to version 27. So quite a bit of versioning there. But the one we want, we're looking for the KDE version. So, and that is Containerized. Here we go. Fedora 39. I'm going to copy that one. And the last thing to do would be to rebase to this. So the command for that is sudo rpm-ostree rebase, and then I paste in the selection that we copied above from that list. Just press enter on that. And this process does take some time. I would say about 15 minutes the last time I did it. So I'm just going to pause the video here, and then I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, now that the download is complete, we need to restart our computer. And to do that, we will run the command sudo systemctl reboot. When I press enter here, it's going to restart the machine. And I will be back in just a minute. All right, and as you can see, we are now in KDE, so let's sign in here. All right, and we are in terminal. Okay, so now we've rebased to Containerized, and now we'll go from Containerized to Onyx, which is the desktop environment of Budgie. Okay, we can just arrow up because it's basically the same terminal we were in GNOME, and pull up the different versions. And this time we want Onyx. So we look through this list. So it's basically the same command. We'll just put Onyx at the end. So I will just up arrow until I find the command we used. So I'm just going to take out Containerized and type in Onyx. And this will take a little while as well, so go ahead and cut the video here, and I'll come back when it's finished. All right, now that rebase has finished, we'll just restart our computer, and we should be able to boot up into Budgie. So to do that, just type in systemctl space reboot, and I'll see you guys here in just a second. Okay, and we are in Budgie now. We've successfully rebased our Fedora Silverblue system to both Containerized and Onyx. No more reinstallations, just rebase, restart, boom, you're in. So basically what used to take hours or days now takes, a matter of minutes for you to test out different desktop environments. And that's going to do it for today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and share the video to somebody that might find it helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.